Today we are going to discuss force of friction. So in force of friction, so what is the force of friction and types of the friction? First one, types of friction. How many types of the frictions? What kind of friction do you know? And how do you reduce the friction? How do you reduce the friction? And next one, how do you increase the friction? How do you increase the friction? So first one, definition of the friction, types of the friction, and how do you reduce the friction, and how do you increase the friction? How do you increase the friction? So in coming to the definition of the friction, the force of friction is a force or resistance to the motion of the object over the surface of the another object. So it is called as force of friction. So in previous class we discussed about friction. And friction is necessary as. Is it necessary? Yes, definitely. Friction is necessary for us. So what are the necessities? Friction is required for walking and running, and writing on the blackboard, and running the machine. So these are the necessity. And advantage also, these are the advantages of the friction. The person able to walk, the person able to run, the moving of vehicle on the road, so working of machine. So all these things are the advantages. But disadvantage of the friction. So while friction present in the machine parts are worn out. So damage the machine parts in the presence of friction only. So these are the one of the disadvantages. And second thing, friction produce heat. How does the friction produce the heat? Friction అనేది ఏ విధంగా హీట్ ని ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తుంది? సార్ సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మై డియర్. సో రబ్ యువర్ పామ్ అగైన్స్ ఈచ్ అదర్. సో మీ చేతులు రెండింటిని ఇలా రబ్ చేయండి. సో ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ టైమ్ హౌ డు యూ ఫీల్ వార్మ్. So due to friction only, rubbing against each other, due to friction only the heat is generated. So take matchstick and matchbox. So in matchbox, outside the matchbox has a rough surface. So when the matchstick is rubbed against to the matchbox, then heat developed, heat generated. So because of due to friction only, heat generated. సో ఓకే, పూర్వకాలంలో ఆది మానవులు ఏం చేసేవారు? స్టోన్ని ఇలా రబ్ చేయడం వల్ల నిప్పులు కనుక్కున్నారు. సో రబ్బింగ్ ఆఫ్ 2 stones, సో ఇట్ జనరేట్ ద హీట్. సో సింపుల్, హౌ డు యూ ప్రూవ్ దట్ ఫ్రిక్షన్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ హీట్? ఫ్రిక్షన్ అనేది హీట్ని ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తుందని ఎలా ప్రూవ్ చేస్తామంటే, సో రబ్ యువర్ పామ్ అగైన్స్ ఈచ్ అదర్, ఆఫ్టర్ రబ్బింగ్ ద హీట్ జనరేటెడ్. ఓకే. And in coming to the types of the friction and what kind of friction do you know? What kind of friction do you know? First one is static friction. Second one is sliding friction. And third one is, so while writing, note down everyone, sliding friction and rolling friction. And fourth one is fluid friction. Once I am repeating, fourth friction. What kind of friction do you know? Static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction, as well as fluid friction. So coming to the definition for fluid, what is a fluid here? Fluid is nothing but the combination of gases and liquid is called as fluid friction. Fluid is nothing but gases and liquid is called as fluid. This fluid friction is also called as drag. The fluid friction is also called as drag. So what is drag? What is the fluid friction here? The friction exerted by the fluid. The friction exerted, note down everyone. The friction exerted by the fluid is called as fluid friction or drag. See here one example, one experiment here. How does the fluid friction produce here? See how to overcome the fluid friction here. So take a glass of water, a beaker, take a beaker is filled with water and take a stirrer. So with the help of stirrer only, you stir the water like this. You stir the water like this. What will happen? The water start rotating. The water start rotating and whirling. So continuous is whirling. So when in the presence of stirrer, you stop the stirring. So gradually the speed of the water gradually decreases. Finally is come at rest. After stirring is come to rest. So what happening here? What happening? See here the contact between the surface of the beaker or glass and surface water, both are contacting and opposing each other. So here fluid friction is developed in between surface of the beaker or glass and water. Such type of friction is nothing but opposing or resistance. So అలాగా జరగడాన్ని ఏమంటున్నామంటే ఫ్లూయిడ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్ అంటున్నాం. How to overcome the fluid friction? See my dear, the aeroplane flying on the sky. Aeroplanes అనేవి స్కైలో వెళ్తూ ఉన్నాయి. See the shape of the aeroplanes and shape of the bird and shape of the fish. Fish swimming in the water, bird flying on the sky. చూడండి బర్డ్ యొక్క షేప్ని ఫిష్ యొక్క షేప్ని మనం చూస్తే అవి ఒకే విధంగా ఉన్నాయి. సో దాన్ని బేస్ ఎందుకు దే ఆర్ మేడప్ ఆఫ్ దట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ షేప్ గాడ్ క్రియేటెడ్ టు ఓవర్కమ్ ద ఫ్లూయిడ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్. ఫ్లూయిడ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఓవర్కమ్ చేయడానికి ఒక షేప్లో ఉన్నాయి అవి. సో రైట్ బ్రదర్స్ ఆల్సో based on the structure of and shape of the bird and fish, the aeroplane manufactured, discovered. So aeroplane ని వాళ్ళు కొనుక్కోవడం జరిగింది. ఎందుకు ఏరోప్లేన్ షేప్ చూడండి బర్డ్ లాగా ఫిష్ లాగానే ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకు అలాగంటే ఫ్లూయిడ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్ని ఓవర్కమ్ చేయడానికి ద బెస్ట్ షేప్ ఈజ్ లైక్ దిస్ ఓన్లీ. సే yes or no? This is a fluid friction. And in coming to the rolling friction. Rolling friction is a friction when object come to over the surface of the another object. Come to roll. So అవి కదులుతూ అంటే రోల్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. The fluid rolling friction is a friction when the object roll over the surface of the another object is called as rolling friction. See best example my dear, drag the suitcase without roller. With roller you drag the suitcase, in which case easy to move the suitcase. In presence of roller only the suitcase move easily. So because of the friction is less in between the tile as well as the surface of the earth. Here the friction is depend on two surface. One is rough surface, second one is smooth surface. So what happening here in presence of rough surface? The surface are irregularities. So due to irregularities, the tile and irregular surface interlock అయిపోతుంది. The interlocking of that is caused the more friction. So more interlock in between rough surface. So less interlock in case of smooth surface. In case of smooth surface, the friction is less. In case of rough surface, friction is more. If contact force in between two surface, contact is more, friction also more. Say yes or no? Here contact between surface of the earth and roller is less. That's why in case of rolling friction is less. Say yes or no? So take the book, place on the table, push it. First case. And second case, place the book on the marble and push it. So in which case the book is moved first? The book which are on the marble పైన ఉండే ఆ బుక్ అనేది స్మూత్గా ముందుకు వెళ్ళగలుగుతుంది. సో డ్యూ టు రోలింగ్. Yes or no? And coming to the sliding friction. So in coming to the sliding friction, see here, what are the conditions of the sliding friction? Two objects is required. Two objects must contact to each other. See here, what sliding friction want to do here? So sliding, inclined plane here, inclined. From this inclined keep one object here, your object. So what happening? The object is moving down. See here, the sliding friction is a friction. The object come to slide over the surface of the another object. First type of friction is called as sliding friction. ఈ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అనేది కిందికి జారుతూ వస్తుంది. ఈ కిందికి జారుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఈ ఆబ్జెక్ట్కి ఈ సర్ఫేస్కి మధ్యన ఉన్న ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఏమంటున్నామంటే స్లైడింగ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్ అంటున్నాం. ఇట్స్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ద స్లైడింగ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్. వాట్ కండిషన్ ఆర్ రిక్వైర్డ్ హియర్? టూ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇస్ కాంటాక్ట్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్. It should be slide. Say some such type of friction is called as sliding friction. In case of sliding friction, friction is more in compared to the rolling. Rolling friction is less, with sliding friction is more. In coming to the static is nothing but name itself is there. Static is nothing but rest. What is the static here? Rest. So how the friction is developed? See, the friction is produced when the object is come at rest over the surface of the another object. ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ వేరే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పైన వచ్చి అది రెస్ట్లో ఉంటే ఆ స్టార్టింగ్లో వచ్చి నిలబడితే దాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే స్టాటిక్ ఫ్రిక్షన్ అంటాం. We are saying the static friction. So give example for any static friction. Static friction के example చెప్పండి. The book on the table. Book table పైన ఉంది. What friction in between that table and table and the book? Static friction, because the book is at rest. Next, any example? The TV on the table. TV table పైన ఉంది. TV is at rest. Static friction. The bus standing in the bus stand. So bus stand lo bus nilabadi undi. What type of friction is act as static friction only. The bus is moving on the road. Which type of friction developed there? Bus moving mean the tires are moving, no? The friction between tires and road, rolling friction here. Okay, the object is sliding on over the surface of the another object. Which type of friction? Sliding friction, my dear. So do you understand? So what kind of friction do you know? Static, sliding, rolling and fluid friction. This fluid friction is also called as drag. What is fluid here? So gases and liquid. Okay. And next one is, how do you reduce the friction? How do you reduce the friction? So any reduction method for the friction? Reduction of friction. See, just how I told you guys. So in case of smooth surface, less friction. In case of rough surface, no friction. So rough is nothing but irregularity. Here regular surface, irregular surface. So smooth surface, this is the rough surface, this is smooth surface. Look at here. So how to reduce the friction is by using the lubricant. By using lubricants. And second thing, ball bearing. So how the lubricant will act? So lubricant here, oil and grease. See, my dear. So take the surface of the object and apply oil over the surface of the object. Oil ni తీసుకొని object surface పైన పోస్తే ఆ surface ఏమవుతుందంటే, due to oil the surface became the smooth. See, for example, on the blackboard apply oil here, what will happen? ఇక్కడ తేమ కలర్లో వచ్చేస్తుంది, due to wet అయిపోతుంది. అదే రీజన్లో ఏదైనా మనం రాయగలిగితే రాస్తుందా? No. So because of smooth surface. So smooth surface, there is no friction. Say sir no. So in rainy season, muddy water, so you are simply slipping on bus accident, vehicle accident, so many accidents during rainy season, there is no friction. When your driver is applying the brake apply చేసినప్పుడు the friction force act between the surface of the road and the tire. సో ఆ రెండింటి మధ్యన యాక్ట్ చేయడం వల్ల అది బస్సు వెహికల్ ఏదైనా కావచ్చు, అది స్టాప్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే. సో లూబ్రికెంట్స్ అండ్ గ్రీస్ ఆల్సో. సో గ్రీస్ ఈజ్ నట్ ఫర్ మెషిన్కి, వాట్ ఐ కెన్ సే, మెషిన్కి ఏదైనా బోల్డర్ల దగ్గర రన్ అవుతున్న మెషిన్కి సాఫ్ట్ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది, ఆ సాఫ్ట్కి ఈ గ్రీజ్ని అప్లై చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. అండ్ ఫర్ టైర్ వెహికల్కి కూడా ఈ గ్రీజ్ని అప్లై చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఎందుకంటే rotate అవుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు, మెషిన్స్ రొటేట్ అవుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు, when they are rotating, the two surfaces are contacting each other. So due to contact of surface to each other, say rubbing. So rubbing ఇలా రబ్బింగ్ జరగడం వల్ల heat is generated. So generation of heat. So what I am told, the rubbing of two surface against each other, so heat is generated. Suppose when the heat is generated, the machine is worn out. So that's why we are reducing the worn out machines and friction. So what we want to do is we are applying grease here. So when we are applying grease, the surface of the machines or any part is became the smooth. So when the smooth surface, there is less friction and less production of the heat, and the machines or vehicles parts are the shape only. See my dear, for playing of carom board, you play the carom board without powder and play the carom board with powder. Okay, So in which case the striker move easy in presence of powder or without water, without powder. So when we are sprinkling the powder on the carom board, the surface became the smooth. When the surface became smooth, the coin or striker move easily and move the fast. So without powder, the surface of the carom board became the rough. When you strike the carom board, strike the coin, but the coin move, but it is difficult to move. Okay, and here ball bearings. So ball bearings are the this also used in the machines to reduce the friction. Simple, my dear. Best example I am giving ball bearing. So take two trays. Keep one tray on the floor under tray. Just push it over the first tray. And take second. In second case, so keep the marble on the first tray and keep the another tray. Just it is push it. It is easy to move. So because of the due to marble only. So simple example is take 2, 3 or pencil. 3 pencil you take. So keep on the floor and keep duster on the pencil. Just it push it. Easy to move. So because of the pencil is rolling, it is act as a ball bearings. So ball bearings enhance the motion of the object. Object ni enhance chestundi, is reduce the friction. Friction ni reduce chesi ball bearing paina adi object pannappudu friction reduce chesi object smooth ga act cheyadaniki ball bearing anedi ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. Say sir. So how do you reduce the friction? By using lubricant as well as ball bearing. So here lubricants, when we are applying lubricant on the surface of the objects, the surface is became the smooth. Slippery nature, smooth nature chestundi. So due to smooth nature only, the surface became the smooth and definitely the friction will reduce. Okay, but how to increase the friction? See my dear, when you are walking, see your chappal, on bottom of the chappal it has bruise. It has a bruise. So what is bruise mean? See here, so like this. Bruise, either slippers or tide, whatever may be. Suppose tide, no? In the tide it has a bruise. Why is it giving bruise here? Bruise provide grip. Bruise provide grip. Grip అనేది ఇస్తుంది. So when the grooves are there, the increase of friction here. So interlocking of the two surfaces is more. Grooves. Say sir, no? We are giving so grooves to the object. Okay na? Suppose the object is here smooth object, smooth surface. What do you want to do? Take another object and you want to make the surface rough. So rough ka chesadi, smooth surface rough ka chesadi. So when the rough surface is became, in the presence of rough surface, the friction will be more. Okay.